So in this video, I'm going to explain why you should not follow your passions. I followed my passions in my first 10 years of entrepreneurship, tried life coaching, tried helping other people, tried network marketing. It did not work. What you want to do is actually set up a proper business, which in this video, you're going to see how you can set up a digital service-based business and actually get customers to pay you money. And that's what you want, right? You want strangers to pay you money and you can enjoy that money passively wherever in the world you are, whether you're at home, whether you're on the beach, whether you are with your family, with your friends, etc. So this is what I'm going to show you right now. To prove it works, this is me right now. This is my Stripe account. As you can see, I'm just jigging it around. It is real, it is legit. I'm currently on £1,470. However, that's actually a little bit higher because there's a couple of people who pay me outside of Stripe just on bank transfer because they don't trust Stripe. So it's more like 1570. So this is proof that I know what I'm doing, and what it is I'm doing is a digital web design lifestyle agency. Okay, I'm going to teach you exactly what you need in this short video right here. You need three things: a lead sniper scraping tool. This is to get your leads. 2, go high level. This is a website building agency software. This is crucial. You need this software. And then 3, Stripe to collect payments. This is the easiest thing ever. I'm going to show you right now. Go to Lead Sniper, you download this tool. It's like $149, and once you do, you download some things like this, and this is what you've got. Okay, now I've done a scrape already, and I've typed in wedding consultants in London. You press start, it opens up Google Maps. It literally goes through it. You can see wedding consultants in London. It's scrolling down the entire list of all these different businesses. Okay, I'm going to let that run for a second, but look, as you can see, website there, no website there, website there. So it's going to scrape all of them. The ones without a website, we want to filter them and then contact them. Okay, so let's just stop this for now. You go back up here, stop, and then all you need to do is click export. Okay, I've already done that, and so after that you want to go straight to Google Sheets. Okay, you want to upload that scrape into Google Sheets, because I only let it run for like a couple of minutes. It scraped 100 businesses, 101 businesses, and I've already filtered it so that in this website column right here, the ones that have a website are at the top, the ones that don't have a website are at the bottom. So these lovely people right here is people we can cold call. Now for this type of business, this is the cold call I would say. Hey, is that the wedding consultant? Perfect. To be honest, it is a cold call. I just wanted to pitch an idea to you. If you had like 20 seconds to hear me out, you say that, and so already you're like, okay, this is clearly a cold call. You're asking for permission. A lot of people just appreciate that, and then they want to hear you out because of it. So once they say yes to that because they're curious, they say, okay, perfect. So you know if someone's searching for a wedding consultant in their area, the first thing they're going to do is go to Google Maps, type in wedding consultants near me, and then whoever comes up, check out their reviews, check out their business, check out their website, make sure they look legit, and then give that person a shout. Now, I'm on your Google Maps listing, and I can see you've only got 1 review, and there's no website. And so I was thinking, you're obviously missing business there, because as a consumer, the customer will just scroll past your listing and you'll get overlooked, and they'll go for someone who looks more established, even though you could be in the business for longer. And because they've got this stuff sorted, they're going to collect these customers, and you would not even know about that. So does that make sense to you? And do you understand, like, can you see the value in this? Do you think this could be a good idea? So you want to come across as genuine as possible, okay? If I sent that script to you, you'd be like, yeah, fair play, it makes sense. This is the exact mindset you want your customers to be in, or your prospects to be in. Yeah, it makes sense. You want to paint a picture for them that it's just so stupid that they say no, they're not going to go ahead with this for. And then when you say, look, I can help you get more reviews, I'll give you a system in place, or I'll help you with your website, I'll put that website together in a couple of days. How can they say no to that? Do you know what I mean? Because you've explained the problem in their eyes. Now, that's perfect. That is the hard work, if I'm totally honest. The website stuff is easy, but I'm going to show you the website stuff now. So if you do this, like this is only like 6 businesses here, but if you did that to 600, 1,000, 2,000, you're very likely to get your first 5 or 10 customers. And it's as easy as that. You just keep running the numbers. There's no secrets to it. Now, the next thing you need, so that's Lead Sniper, we've done that. Collect Stripe payments. If I'm totally honest, you go back to Stripe, right? It's the easiest thing. You just go at the top, sign up, and fill out your card details, and then that's it basically. You just create a payment page and then send people to that page, which is £50 per month, which is what I offer. You can charge higher if you want to. Some people do like $97 or $179. It's up to you. Do what you want, but I charge £50 because in the UK at least, that's a good price point. And then the next thing you need is go high level, which is this thing right here. So I've opened up my test account. This is how it would look on the dashboard. But what you want to do for websites, you want to go straight to this sites tab here, go to websites at the top, and then new website, create from template, continue. Now I know they have thousands and thousands of templates to search for, but because we did weddings, let's just type in wedding. Let's just type in wedding and see what comes up. Boom, wedding consultant, look at that. And that's exactly what we got, wedding consultants. It's like I planned this video or something. Okay, choose that, let that load up, okay? It's gonna take probably like 10 seconds to load up. And everything that loads up now, you can customize on your end, okay? Absolutely everything. You can change it with your customers' images, your customers' logos, your customers' reviews, your customers' company details, their service list, everything, okay? So here it is. This is the home page. You've got all these things here. The builder is really simple to use. Let's just say boutiques. You want to change that. So you click on the element. It opens up the settings. For example, these are the things with the style. You can change it so it has like a solid border. For example, blue border. Type that to 120, 102, as you can see. So I just made it shocking. But you just need to play around. If I go back to, if I got animation, you want it to bounce in, boom. Slide up, boom. If you go to general and then go to images, I'll just put whatever that is, boom, changes it. If you want to like go to any text bits, you just type in whatever you want to type in. The same thing, change images here, change the service list there, change any of these things here. For example, you just put that image there again. As you can see, it's going to pop up somewhere. So it's just a matter of drag and drop and then just editing the settings right here. Okay, and you do that throughout the entire page. You customize it to your customers' details and specifications and whatever they ask for. Then you go up here, you go to the thank you page. If you want to add a new page, you can do that. You just add a new page. The next page is called services, etc. And then services, and then you add that page. It's simple, okay? So now you can just go and edit that page basically. When you're ready, you can save it, and when you want to publish it, you click publish, and that makes the website live. Now to connect the website up, you need to go to this website here, Namecheap. I've typed this in already, weddingconsultantsinlondon.co.uk. It's available, add that to the cart, buy it, and then in my free Skool group, I will give you the exact path of how to do it. If you look over here, it says something like how to link clients' domain to the sites you build. It's a free video. It's like 6 minutes long. It's not super technical. It's just literally 6 minutes. So it walks you through every single step by step. Now, as you can see, guys, there is 276 members in this group. People who are actually making money with all this free information. This information is free. I'll be honest with you, I do reject some people if you don't show real like commitment to building this, because I don't want this group to be full of people who are just not doing things. I want action takers in this group. So if you are interested, click this join now button. Inside, I'll show you how it looks. You go here, this is a communities tab. You can check out all the different posts going on. You can check out the classroom. This is the overview videos that goes into everything in a little bit more detail. This is each module here that goes into everything in excruciating detail, and there's just some extra resources as well. But everything you have here is everything you need to win and succeed in this business. It's just a matter of how much action you're going to take. And the action that really is required is just the cold calling side of things. Now, if you have no money, cold calling is for you. If you have a little bit of money, £20 per day minimum, you can run Facebook and Google ads. And inside here, how to run Facebook and Google and Instagram ads. And this is the training you want to see if you have a little bit of money. what I'd recommend if you don't have any money, click cold call, get your first 10 to 20 customers. That's £500 to £1,000 per month. Then you can reinvest all of that into Facebook ads so it can start scaling for you and bringing you warm leads. That is the play. That's exactly what I did. So hopefully that video makes sense. Everything is really simple, guys, if I'm totally honest. It's just a matter of coming down to who takes the most action. Now remember, I'll put the link down below, startalifestylebusiness.com, or you can go to Skool.com and how I grew my web design business, blah, 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 whatever it is. You'll get access to in here, go through the course modules. I will speak to you in here and I will personally help you get your first 5 customers, because I know what it's like in the beginning. I know everything you're going to go through. Once you've got your first 5 customers, you have enough experience that you can just carry on by yourself. But it's that first 5 that you need a little bit of help with. And the reason I'm doing this is if you like what I'm talking about, you like me, my style, you're thankful that I've put this free group together, then I just ask you that you use my affiliate link when you sign up for Go High Level, because I get a little commission, and that's the main thing that I'm doing it for, basically. So if you're interested in that, that'd be great. Hopefully I'll see you guys inside here and I'll be able to help you guys out further. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.